So let's start the preparation of instant thandai. I've got 500 ml, that is half liter of milk here in these 2 glasses. Some castor sugar. I've taken 1/4 cup of castor sugar. Some dry rose petal. I've got saunf, that is around 20 grams. Around 12 to 13 cardamoms. I have peeled off the skin. 12 to 15 black pepper corns. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, some saffron stands. This is approximately 3 tablespoons of cashew nuts. You can say around 20-25 grams. 3 tablespoons of pistachios. That is also around approximately 20 to 25 grams. Again 3 tablespoons of almonds, approximately 25 grams. So we'll start the making now. So as I told you all, this is instant thandai. I've just heated the pan, but I'm going to put it off. We don't want to roast anything on the gas. I'll put it off so the pan is hot. Now I'm going to add this almonds, cashew. This is a way to remove the moisture from all these things. The main ingredient is saunf. That's very important. Black pepper is to just add the spiciness and that aroma of the black pepper. Lotus seeds and saffron strands. Now in this I don't have watermelon seeds with me. If you have watermelon seeds or cucumber seeds, you can just add that. Plus we don't get couscous here. If you have couscous, you can also add 20 grams of couscous. And we don't get couscous in this country, so I'm not using that. So let us just heat this because I have put off the gas. We have to just take out the moisture. So because of that, I put it on the hot pan. So as we said before, I've added everything into this. We have put off the gas and then we just put it into the hot pan. Now I'm going to grind this. You can grind it either finely or you can just crush it and keep, that's up to you all. So I've added all this into this grinding thing, and I'm going to add now cardamom pods. Now let's grind it into a fine powder. So this is ground well. I'm just going to put this into this bowl, and we are going to add this half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of cinnamon. That's it. Instant thandai powder is ready. Now you can just store it in an airtight container, and whenever you want to make thandai, you can just do that. So now the next step is we are going to pour this 500 ml, that is half liter of milk, into a blender. And at this stage, the 1/4 cup of castor sugar I'm going to put here. As you all can see, this is a very instant thing, so it's very easy to make, not like the other one wherein you have to soak it or blanch it and then you have to grind it. So here I'm going to add this is approximately around 2.5 tablespoons of thandai powder. I'll close this and I will just blend it and I'll come back. So our thandai is ready. I'm just going to pour it into this glass. So when you're blending, you can just add some cubes of ice. That is the meaning of thandai, right? It should be thanda. It should be cold. So this is our thandai masala, instant one, and our thandai is ready. So our thandai is ready. This is an easy recipe that can be whipped up instantly. So do try this Holi with your loved ones and stay safe. And if you have liked the video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.